We're starting over in Lexington County, where a group of community members have created an organization dedicated to uplifting others. News 19's Rachel Ripp has the story.
Clapping for something near and dear to all these people's hearts, mental health. Today marks a shift in approaching the healthiness of the mind for leaders in Lexington County. They're calling it Uplift Lexington County.
Mental health cases have risen significantly. The calls have increased, mobile crisis unit response has increased, ED visits have increased. So these, we recognize, are putting more pressure on the first responders and healthcare workers.
Instead of running our frontline workers ragged, Uplift wants to focus on pooling resources from counselors, psychiatric professionals, and others in the community. This so they can de-escalate situations sooner and push toward proactive care.
So instead of waiting for the person to be in crisis and EMS is on scene or mobile crisis is on scene, we will then be following up later and going out and then trying to engage that person in treatment so that longer term they don't need as many emergency services and ultimately improves their quality of life.
Before, emergency room providers would recommend a mental health resource to a patient and the patient wouldn't follow up. Organizers tell me they've already gotten started with their $980,000 in grant money over the course of the next 3 years. They're pushing out surveys to first responders. They're creating a resource guide of places to get help. They've embedded a mental health professional into the sheriff's office and into Lexington EMS.
One of the things that's hoped for is that the different partners see so much value because the grant started it, that they're really willing to put in some of their own resources to keep it going.